Welcome. In this video we should solve the given questions, and this is the one of the difficult questions for class 10 in optional math. And in these questions, and that is given, prove that root under 2 plus 2 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equal to 2 cos theta. And how we should prove these questions in this video, so watch this video full, and also like this video and subscribe my channel. And then LHS root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos theta 2 plus 2 cos 2 8 theta, and that is LHS. And then root under 2 plus 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. And after that root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 bracket 1 plus 2 cos 4 theta minus 1, and then bracket, and root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 cos 2 theta, and then root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1, and after that root under 2 plus root under 4 cos square 2 theta, and root under 2 plus root under 4 cos square 2 theta, and then root under 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta, root under 2 plus 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1, and then root under 4 cos square theta 2 cos square proved. 2 cos theta proved. And for more about like that, please like this video and subscribe my channel.